Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to start a chapter of Unit 2 from our Marigold book. So the chapter name is Flying Together. So let's start reading. What are some of the things
What
are some of the things
your parents and teachers
your parents and teachers
tell you to do on time?
tell you to do on time?
Get up in the morning,
Get up in the morning,
do the homework,
do the homework,
pack your school bag.
pack your school bag.
Trees and plants are to be conserved.
trees and plants are to be conserved.
Discuss in class
Discuss in class
and find out which plants,
and find out which plants,
creepers
creepers
or trees
or trees
may be harmful
may be harmful
for the existence of others.
for the existence of others.
What happened when you didn't do
What happened when you didn't do
as they asked you to do?
as they asked you to do?
Deep in a forest
Deep in a forest
stood a very tall tree.
stood a very tall tree.
Its leafy branches
Its leafy branches
spread out like strong arms.
spread out like strong arms.
This tree was the home
This tree was the home
of a flock of wild geese.
of a flock of wild geese.
They felt safe there.
They felt safe there.
One of the geese
One of the geese
was a wise old bird.
was a wise old bird.
He noticed a small creeper
He noticed a small creeper
at the foot of the tree.
at the foot of the tree.
He spoke to the other birds
He spoke to the other birds
about it.
about it.
Do you see that creeper?
Do you see that creeper?
He said to them.
He said to them,
Let us destroy it.
Let
let us destroy it.
Why must we destroy it?
Why must we destroy it?
Asked the geese in surprise.
Asked the geese in surprise.
It is so small.
It is so small.
What harm can it do?
What harm can it do?
My friends,
My friends,
replied the wise old bird,
replied the wise old bird,
that little creeper
that little creeper
will soon grow.
will soon grow.
As it creeps up this tree,
as it creeps up this tree,
it will become thick and strong.
it will become thick and strong.
What of that?
What of that?
Asked the geese.
Asked the geese.
What harm can a creeper do us?
What harm can a creeper do us?
Don't you see?
Don't you see?
Replied the wise bird.
Replied the wise bird.
With the help of that creeper,
With the help of that creeper,
it will be possible for someone
it will be possible for someone
to climb this tree.
to climb this tree.
A hunter can come up
A
A
hunter
hunter can come up
and kill us all.
and
and kill us all.
Well, there's no hurry.
Well, there's no hurry.
They replied.
They replied,
The creeper is very small.
the creeper is very small.
It would be a pity
It would be a pity
to destroy it now.
To destroy it now.
Destroy the creeper
Destroy the creeper
while it is still young.
while it is still young.
The old bird advised.
The old bird advised.
Now it is tender
Now it is tender,
and you can cut it easily.
and you can cut it easily.
Later it will become hard
Later it will become hard,
and you will not be able to cut it.
and you will not able to cut it.
We will see, we will see,
We will see, we will see,
answered the birds.
answered the birds.
But they did not destroy the creeper.
But they did not destroy the creeper.
They forgot the wise old bird's advice.
They forgot the wise old bird's advice.
As the creeper grew,
As the creeper grew,
it began winding its way up the tree.
it began winding its way up the tree.
Stronger and stronger it became,
Stronger and stronger it became,
until it was as strong
until it was as strong
as a thick rope.
as a thick rope.
One morning,
one morning
when the geese had gone out
when the geese had gone out
in search of food,
In search of food,
a hunter came to the forest.
a hunter came to the forest.
So this is where
So this is where
the wild geese live.
the wild geese live.
He said to himself,
He said to himself,
when they come back
when they come back
in the evening,
in the evening,
I shall catch them.
I shall catch them.
The hunter climbed up the tree
The hunter climbed up the tree
with the help of the creeper.
with the help of the creeper.
He got to the top
He got to the top
and spread his net there.
and spread his net there.
Then he climbed down
Then he climbed down
and went away.
and went away.
In the evening,
In the evening,
the geese returned home.
the geese returned home.
They did not notice the net.
They did not notice the net.
As they flew into the tree,
As they flew into the tree,
they were trapped.
they were trapped.
They struggled hard to get out,
They struggled hard to get out,
but could not.
but
but
could
could
not.
not.
Help!
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 Cried the geese.
Cried the geese.
We are caught in the hunter's net.
We are caught in the hunter's net.
Oh,
Oh,
what shall we do?
What
what
shall
shall we do?
Don't make a fuss now,
Don't make a fuss now,
said the wise old bird.
Said the wise old bird.
Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper,
Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper,
but you did not.
but you did not.
Now see what has happened.
Now see what has happened.
Tomorrow morning,
Tomorrow morning,
the hunter will come back
The hunter will come back
and kill us all.
and kill us all.
We were foolish,
We
we were foolish,
wept the birds.
wept the birds.
We are very sorry.
We are very sorry.
We did not listen to you.
We did not listen to you.
Please tell us what to do.
Please tell us what to do.
Then listen carefully,
Then listen carefully,
replied the wise bird.
replied the wise bird.
When the hunter comes,
When the hunter comes,
you must all pretend to be dead.
You must all pretend to be dead.
Just lie still.
just lie still.
The hunter will not want dead birds.
The hunter will not want dead birds.
He will throw us to the ground.
He will throw us to the ground.
It will then be easy for him
It will then be easy for him
to climb down,
to climb down,
collect the dead birds,
collect the dead birds,
and take them home.
and take them home.
When the last of us
When
The last of us
has been thrown down,
has been thrown down.
we must quickly get up
We must quickly get up
and fly away.
and fly away.
In the morning,
In the morning,
the hunter came to the tree
the hunter came to the tree
and climbed up.
and climbed up.
He looked at the geese in the net.
He looked at the geese in the net.
They are all dead,
They are all dead.
he muttered to himself.
He muttered to himself.
He threw them out of the net one by one.
He threw them out of the net one by one.
The birds lay still
The bird lay still
until the last one had been thrown down.
until the last one had been thrown down.
Then,
Then,
all at once,
all at once,
they got up,
they got up,
flapped their wings,
flapped their wings,
and flew away.
and flew away.
The hunter was taken by surprise.
The hunter was taken by surprise.
From the top of the tree,
From the top of the tree,
he watched all the geese fly away.
he watched all the geese fly away.
Story by Shiv Kumar.
story
Story by Shiv Kumar.
Adapted from stories from Panchtantra.
Adapted from stories from Panchtantra.
A wise old bird.
A wise old bird.
New words.
New words.
Geese.
Geese.
Plural for goose.
Plural for goose.
Large web-footed bird.
Large web-footed bird.
Creeper.
creeper,
Plant that needs support to grow,
plant
Plant
that
that needs support to grow.
usually along a wall or a tree.
usually along a wall or a tree,
Winding.
winding,
Go in circular.
go in circular,
Spiral course.
spiral course,
Muttered.
muttered,
Spoken in a low tone.
spoken in a low tone,
Flapped.
flapped,
Move wings up and down.
move wings up and down.
Let's read.
Let's read.
1.
1.
Where did the geese live?
Where did the geese live?
2.
2.
Why did the old bird advise the other birds
Why did the old bird advise the other birds
to destroy the creeper?
To destroy the creeper.
3.
3.
Why did the geese cry?
Why did the geese cry?
Help, help.
Help, help.
4.
4.
What did the hunter do when he thought
What did the hunter do when he thought
that the geese were dead?
that the geese were dead?
5.
5.
Why did the geese pretend to be dead?
Why did the geese pretend to be dead?
6.
6.
Describe one incident when you got into trouble
Describe one incident when you got into trouble
because you did not do your work on time.
because you did not do your work on time.
State whether the following statements are true or false.
State whether the following statements are true or false.
1.
1.
The tree was the house of a flock of parrots.
The tree was the house of a flock of parrots.
2.
2.
The wise old bird wanted the creeper to be destroyed.
The wise old bird wanted the creeper to be destroyed.
3.
3.
The hunter climbed the tree with the help of a ladder.
The hunter climbed the tree with the help of a ladder.
4.
4.
When caught in the net,
When caught in the net,
the foolish birds began to weep.
the foolish birds began to weep.
5.
5.
The wise old bird helped them to escape.
The wise old bird helped them to escape.
Let's listen.
Let's listen.
Listen to the following paragraph.
Listen to the following paragraph.
The ant and the dog.
The ant and the dog.
On his way home,
On his way home,
an ant saw a sparkling fountain.
an ant saw a sparkling fountain.
He crawled onto its wall
He crawled onto its wall
to take a closer look.
to take a closer look.
Suddenly he slipped
Suddenly he slipped
and fell into the water.
and fell into the water.
He gargled and panicked
He
He gargled and panicked
and waved his legs in the air.
and waved his legs in the air.
Help!
Help!
I can't swim,
I can't swim.
he cried.
He cried.
Luckily,
Luckily,
just at that moment,
Just at that moment,
a friendly dove flew by.
a friendly dove flew by.
She saw that the tiny ant was drowning
she saw that the tiny ant was drowning
and quickly flew to a nearby tree.
and quickly flew to a nearby tree.
She pulled off a leaf
She pulled off a leaf
and let it glide down to the ant.
And let it glide down to the ant.
Here you are,
Here you are.
she cooed
She cooed
and flew away.
and flew away.
Adapted from Aesop's Fables.
Adapted from Aesop's Fables.
1.
1.
Why do you think
Why
Why
do
do you think
the dove helped the ant?
the
the dove helped the ant?
2.
2.
How do you think
How do you think
the ant felt on finding the leaf?
the ant felt on finding the leaf?
3.
3.
Have you ever been in trouble like the ant?
Have you ever been in trouble like the ant?
Did anyone help you?
Did anyone help you?
Let's talk.
Let's talk.
1.
1.
Work in pairs.
Work in pairs.
Ask your friend questions
Ask your friend questions
about all the things he does.
About all the things he does.
Use question words such as
Use question words such as
where,
where,
what,
what,
how,
how,
who,
who,
when,
when,
why.
why.
One is done for you.
one
What
is
is done for you?
Anu.
Anu.
I watch TV in the evening.
I watch TV in the evening.
Amit.
Amit.
When do you watch TV?
When do you watch TV?
Anu.
Anu,
I play games.
I play games.
Amit.
Amit,
Blank.
blank,
Anu.
Anu,
I collect stamps.
I collect stamps.
Amit.
Amit.
Blank.
Blank.
Anu.
Anu.
I play in the ground.
I
I play in the ground.
Amit.
Amit.
Blank.
Blank.
Anu.
Anu.
On Sunday I go shopping.
On Sunday I go shopping.
Amit.
Amit.
Blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
Answer these questions about yourself.
Answer these questions about yourself.
1.
1.
What is your name?
What is your name?
2.
2.
What languages do you speak?
What languages do you speak?
3.
3.
How old are you?
How old are you?
4.
4.
Which is your favorite food?
Which is your favorite food?
5.
5.
Where did you go yesterday?
Where did you go yesterday?
6.
6.
Which country do you belong to?
Which country do you belong to?
7.
7.
When do you go to sleep?
When do you go to sleep?
8.
8.
Why do you drink milk?
Why do you drink milk?
3.
3.
In groups of 5,
In groups of 5,
discuss what you would do
discuss what you would do
if you were caught
if you were caught
in the following situations.
in the following situations.
Your friends fall in the play field
Your friend falls in the playfield
and is hurt.
and is hurt.
Blank.
blank,
You are trapped in a fire.
You are trapped in a fire.
Blank.
Blank.
You are stuck in a traffic jam.
You are stuck in a traffic jam.
Blank.
blank.
Let's write.
Let's write.
1.
1.
The words in the cloud describe something
The words in the cloud describe something
or someone in the story.
or someone in the story.
Name them in the blanks provided.
Name them in the blanks provided.
Make sentences of your own
Make sentences of your own
with the words given in the clouds.
with the words given in the clouds.
Wise,
Wise,
careless,
careless,
thick and strong,
thick and strong,
foolish,
foolish,
tall.
tall.
2.
2.
Here are some answers
Here are some answers
about the given picture.
about the given picture.
1.
1.
The color of the ant is black.
The color of the ant is black.
2.
2.
It lives on land.
It lives on land.
3.
3.
It has 2 long antennae.
It has 2 long antennae.
4.
4.
It crawls on the ground.
It crawls on the ground.
5.
5.
It eats sugar.
It eats sugar.
Now frame questions for the above answers.
Now frame questions for the above answers.
Blank.
Blank.
3.
Tree.
Fill in the blanks with prepositions such as
Fill in the blanks with prepositions such as
to,
to,
at,
of,
on, in, into, with. One has been done for you.
One has been done for you.
1.
1.
This tree was the home
This tree was the home
of
of
a flock of wild geese.
a flock of wild geese.
2.
2.
He noticed the creeper
He noticed the creeper
blank
blank
the foot of the tree.
the foot of the tree.
3.
3.
It would be a pity
It would be a pity
blank
blank
destroy it now.
destroy it now.
4.
4.
As they flew
As they flew
blank
blank
the tree they were trapped.
the tree they were trapped.
5.
5.
The boy ran
The boy ran
blank
blank
the dog.
the dog.
6.
6.
The frogs jumped
The frogs jumped
blank
blank
the well.
the well.
7.
7.
The girl was thrilled
The girl was thrilled
blank
blank
see her new bicycle.
see her new bicycle.
8.
8.
The birds were caught
The birds were caught
blank
blank
the net.
the net.
9.
9.
The children walked
The children walked
blank
blank
the bridge.
the bridge.
4.
4.
Complete the paragraph
Complete the paragraph
with suitable words from the box.
with suitable words from the box.
Around,
Around,
across,
across,
with,
with,
along,
along,
to,
to,
after,
after,
next to,
next to,
into,
into,
from.
from.
One day,
One day,
as I was walking
as I was walking
blank
blank
the bank of the river,
the bank of the river,
I saw my friend running
I saw my friend running
blank
blank
the field.
the field.
He was calling my name and waving
He was calling my name and waving
blank
blank
me.
me.
I stopped and waited
I stopped and waited
blank.
blank.
Sometime he reached where I was standing.
Sometime he reached where I was standing.
He said,
He said,
I went all
I went on
blank
blank
the town looking for you.
the town looking for you.
I have some exciting news to share.
I have some exciting news to share.
Blank
Blank.
you.
You.
Do you remember the old house?
Do you remember the
old house?
Blank
blank
the neem tree.
the neem tree?
Guess who is moving?
Guess who is moving?
Blank
Blank
that house.
that house.
Janak Das,
Janak Das,
the great magician.
the great magician.
Now we can learn lots of magic tricks.
Now we can learn lots of magic tricks.
Blank
Blank
him. 5.
5.
Fill in the blanks given below
Fill in the blanks given below
with question words.
With question words.
For example,
For example,
where do you live?
where
Where
do
do you live?
1.
1.
Blank.
Blank.
Do you play?
Do you play?
2.
2.
Blank.
Blank.
Do you get up?
Do you get up?
3.
3.
Blank.
Blank.
Do you have for breakfast?
Do you have for breakfast?
4.
4.
Blank.
Blank.
Do you go to school?
Do you go to school?
5.
5.
Blank.
Blank.
Do you like best in the school?
Do you like best in the school?
Games, art or music?
Games, art or music?
6.
6.
Blank.
Blank.
Is your birthday?
Is your birthday?
7.
7.
Blank.
Blank.
Do you want for your birthday?
Do you want for your birthday?
6.
6.
Reference to context.
Reference to context.
1.
1.
Well, there's no hurry.
Well, there's no hurry.
The creeper is very small.
The creeper is very small.
It would be a pity
It would be a pity
to destroy it now.
to destroy it now.
2.
2.
So, this is where the wild geese live.
So this is where the wild geese live.
Who said this?
Who said this?
Blank, blank.
Blank, blank.
To whom was it said?
To whom was it said?
Blank, blank.
Blank, blank.
When was it said?
When was it said?
Blank, blank.
Blank, blank.
Draw pictures of the speakers of the above lines.
Draw pictures of the speakers of the above lines.
Fun time.
Fun time.
1.
1.
Proverbs are short,
Proverbs are short,
wise sayings.
wise sayings.
For example,
For example,
look before you leap.
look before you leap.
This means that we should think carefully
This means that we should think carefully
before we take any action.
before we take any action.
Here are some popular English proverbs.
Here are some popular English proverbs.
Read them aloud together
Read them aloud together
and discuss what each could mean.
and discuss what each would mean.
Old is gold.
Old is gold.
As you sow, so shall you reap.
As you sow, so shall you reap.
Unity is strength.
Unity is strength.
United we stand, divided we fall.
United we stand, divided we fall.
A friend in need is a friend indeed.
A friend in need is a friend indeed.
2.
2.
Look at this proverb.
Look at this proverb.
All's well that ends well.
All's well that ends well.
1.
1.
Discuss what it means.
Discuss what it means.
Can you think of events or happenings in life
Can you think of events or happenings in life
where these proverbs can be used?
Where this proverb can be used.
2.
2.
Write down your story
Write down your story
or the event,
or the event.
then read the paragraph to your neighbor.
Then read the paragraph to your neighbor.
The clap word game.
The clap word game.
3.
3.
Let's play the clap word game,
Let's
play the clap word game.
where the word produces one sound.
Where the word
produces one sound.
Clap once,
Clap once.
as in creep.
As in creep.
Clap twice if the word can be broken up
clap twice if the word can be broken up
into 2 syllables, as in creeper,
into 2 syllables as in creeper,
and thrice as in tomorrow.
and thrice as in tomorrow.
Creeper,
Creeper,
struggled,
struggled,
tomorrow,
Tomorrow.
geese,
keys,
throw,
Throw.
foolish,
foolish,
possible,
Possible.
noticed,
Noticed.
carefully,
Carefully.
flapped,
Flapped.
returned,
Return.
evening,
Evening.
trapped,
Trapped.
surprise.
Surprise.